Meanwhile, Andre Russell reflected on his 14-year T20 international career as he gave his final speech as a West Indies player.
First time I came to Savannah Park, I think I was maybe 11 or 12, and I was doing all sorts of stuff in the grass, just lying and rolling around, throwing the ball, slide, pick it up, doing stuff that I saw on the TV, and then, never knew what would happen or where cricket would take me, to be honest, and then, to make a dream become a reality, playing my last international game here for West Indies, it really, really means a lot.
Russell further elaborated on moments in his career.
Thanks to the West Indies Cricket Board for making this possible. I think I always want to retire from international cricket or retire from cricket in sceneries like this. Seeing a lot of footballers having their last football game, the emotions, the tears, all of those things. But I'm a tough cookie, big man don't cry, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it just feels good to know that you can have a stadium that, your hometown, to have people standing up, cheering you on.
Now, Russell's retirement officially means only opener Evan Lewis and all-rounder Jason Holder are members of the current West Indies T20 squad who were part of the 2012 and 2016 T20 World Cup winning teams.